Right. Sorry. Next one. Some animals breathe through moist skin. So it's very, very interesting, children. See, children, some animals breathe through moist skin. So far we have seen that human beings breathe through the lungs. But it is very interesting to hear that yes, the animals even breathe through the skin also. And in those animals, the skin should be moist. The earthworm and frog. Yes, children, earthworm and frog breathe through skin. Breathe through skin. Some animals breathe through moist skin. Moist means wetness, children. Okay, so they take the oxygen with the help of the skin only. Some animals breathe through the body holes. Some animals breathe through the body holes like insects. Insects have tiny holes. Insects have tiny holes called spiracles. What are these, children? Yes, these are called spiracles. Okay, which are located on both sides of their bodies. See, children. So this is a frog. Next one, tiny holes are there. Some animals breathe through gills. Some animals breathe through gills, children. What is the example? Yes, fish. What is the example? Fish. The animals that live in the water, fish lives inside the water, breathe through gills. Examples is not only fish, fish, tadpole, fish, tadpole, and prawns. Children, do you know prawns? Yes, human beings will eat the prawns. Human beings won't eat the tadpole. Human beings will eat fish. So once again I repeat, these are the different methods of breathing. You know that human beings breathe through the lungs. But some animals, here see, some animals, this is the first case, this is the second case, and this is the third case. In the first case, some animals breathe through the moist skin. Example, earthworm and frog. In the second case, some animals breathe through the tiny holes. These holes are present on either side of the body, which are called spiracles. Third case, some animals respires with the help of gills. These animals stay or live inside the water. Fish, tadpole, and prawn. Okay. See, children, in this animal life, in the first earlier you have learned body coverings. In the second, you have learned eating habits. Third, just now we have learned breathing, different types of breathing or different ways of breathing. Now let's see different methods of moving. You know that all the animals cannot move with the help of legs. There are different movements, okay, or locomotory organs. Animals move their bodies to find. Why should animals move? Why plants are not moving means animals move from one place to another place in search of food, to seek shelter, to escape from danger. In search of food, for shelter, and to protect from enemies. To protect from enemies or danger. So that for these three reasons, okay, the animals move from one place to another place. Sometimes they move just for fun also. Yes, children, this is very interesting that some animals move just for fun, dancing or playing games, like monkeys, like human beings, and some rabbits. Okay, sometimes they move, even dogs also move just for fun. Animals have many different ways to move. Look at those examples. Now we have, take page number 73, we have some examples, children. Now the animals have different ways to move. Now let's see the first one. First one, see children, in this figure, what are these? Yes, dolphins leap from the water and ride on waves. So these are called as waves, children. So what these dolphins will do? Yes, they leap from the water. They leap means jump from one place to another place. Again, they will be going into the water. This is how the dolphins will be moving. Crabs have 10 legs. See children, second figure. Crabs have how many legs, children? Yes, 10 legs. Crabs have 10 legs. 8 for walking and 2 with pincers for pricking the food. So out of 10, 8 legs are for walking. 8 legs are for walking and 2 for picking the food. 2 for picking the food. See how interesting it is. Crabs have 10 legs. 8 are used for walking and 2 are used for picking the food. Third one, you see the third figure here. Birds, bats and insects, how they move? Fly with the wings. So birds, bats and insects, how they move, children? Do they have legs? Do they have legs, children? Those, say children, some birds will have legs, but they fly with the help of wings. But they fly with the help of wings. See, once again I repeat, dolphins leap from one place to another place and ride on the waves. Crabs have 10 legs, 8 are used for walking and 2 are used for picking the food. Bats, birds and insects, okay, they have wings to fly in the air. Okay, children, so far we have learnt about dolphins, crabs, birds, bats and insects. Now let's go for fish. The fourth figure, see children, here it is the fourth figure. Fish, turtles, fish, turtles and dolphins. Fish, turtles and dolphins, what these three will do? They swim, they live inside the water, they have to swim with fins and flippers. Swim with fins and flippers. So these are the locomotory organs, that means they move with the help of fins and flippers. Which one? Fishes, turtles and dolphins. Next, humans. Next figure, still see children, the fifth one. See, this is the fifth one. Humans and bird. Humans and bird walk and run with 2 legs. Walk and run with 2 legs. And see the sixth one. Seventh one. Here see this is the one. This is the sixth only. Horses, cats and dogs walk and run on 4 legs. Horses, cats and dogs, how they move? With the help of 4 legs. With the help of 4 legs. See the last one, snakes don't have legs. Do you have observed any time the snakes with the legs, children? No. Simply the snakes will crawl like this with the help of the skin. But they don't have legs, but slither by bending their bodies. They move. They move with the help of the skin by bending their bodies to the earth or to the surface. So here, once again I repeat, the first one, dolphins leap from one place to another place on the water and ride on the waves. Crabs have 10 legs, 8 are for walking, 2 are for picking the food. Birds, bats and insects fly with wings. Fishes and turtles and dolphins have fins and flippers. Humans and birds walk and run with 2 legs. Horses, cats and dogs walk and run with 4 legs. Snakes do not have legs, but they slither their bodies, they bend their bodies and move or crawl. So this is how you can see the beautiful movements. All the animals are not having the legs, or all the animals are not having the wings. So depending upon their body, depending upon their survival, they will move from one place to another place. Then what is the purpose of this moving, children? Yes, for food, for shelter, and to protect from enemies, and also for entertainment or enjoyment. Okay. Children, animal legs have joints. These allow them to swing and bend, so movement is possible. Animal legs are joints, children. So see, this is one leg and this is another leg. Then this is called as joint. This is called joint. So when the legs are jointed, they can easily bend. Okay, they easily swing. Also the movement is possible. Animal movement is powered by muscles. So the movement is because of what, children? Muscles. See, we are moving the hands like this, and we are moving from here and there because of the muscles that are present in the hands and legs. See here how the animal is moving and making different types of movements. The cheetah. Cheetah is the fastest land animal. The biggest is elephant, but the fastest is cheetah. Cheetah is the fastest land animal. That means it sprints very fast, children. It runs very fast. Fastest land animal. Cheetah is the fastest land animal. Its powerful muscles bend and straighten its legs to reach a speed of how much? 100 kilometers per hour. So how much speed it covers? 100 kilometers per hour, children. That means within 1 hour it goes 100 kilometers, like the speed of a train. Okay, so this much speed is because it has a powerful muscles and straighten its legs. It keep its legs straight and it move like anyway. Birds and humans have 2 legs, horses have 4, insects have 6, spiders 8, crabs 10. So you know that birds and humans already learned 2, horses have 4. Insects, how many, children? Insects have how many legs? 6 legs. Spiders have how many legs? 8 legs. And crabs have, yes, 10 legs. See, the number is also differing. Okay, and some millipedes have more than 100. So millipedes, okay, these millipedes have how many legs? More than 100, children. More than 100. See, the number is also very, very different. So here birds and humans have 2. Horses, cat and dog have here 4. And here insects have 6 legs. Spiders have 8 legs. Already you learnt about the crab have 10 legs. Millipedes have more than 100 legs. Okay, children? Now it's time to recall. See the children, so far we have learned the different ways, methods of moving, different ways of eating, and different types of skin, and different ways of breathing. So this is in this lesson mainly tells about the animal life. Now let's go for the time to recall. Let's recall the lesson once again. We see many animals around us. So what is the first point? We see many animals around us. We see many animals around us. Animals have different body coverings. Already I told you, like feathers, hair, fur, scales. Okay, animals have different body coverings. Next one, third one. Here see, animals eat different food. So those are herbivores. What are herbivores, children? Plant eating animals. Carnivores, flesh eating animals. Omnivores, which eat both. Okay, next one. Some animals use their legs, wings and fins to move. So this is a locomotion, movement. Some use legs, some use wings like birds and bats, and some use fins like fishes to move. Different animals have different breathing organs also. So what are the breathing organs? Lungs, gills, okay, and the spiracles. Spiracles are present in insects. These are the holes. Okay, right. Now here see, these are the points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. It's the time to recall. So this is about the wildlife, children, and this is the end of the lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.